Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar gained 0.7% against the yen in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair gained 1.4% in the last session, after rising as much as 2% during the session. According to the CCI, we are in an oversold market. The gold-dollar pair dropped 0.6% in the last session. The MACD's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The last session saw the oil fall 0.7% against the dollar. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Gold extends its longest losing streak since early July to trade at a 3-week low as rising Treasury yields and a resurgent US dollar undermined support. Tory leadership frontrunner Liz Truss has said that there is too much talk that there's going to be a recession, as she insisted an economic slump is not inevitable. The Foreign Secretary suggested a level of ambition was needed to change the orthodoxy and avoid the outcome forecast by the Bank of England. The US dollar index reached a 5-week high and was on track for its biggest weekly gain since April 2020, as investors adjusted for the likelihood that the US Federal Reserve would keep hiking rates to battle inflation.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Chicago Fed National Activity Index will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. The Dutch Consumer Confidence Average will be released at 04:30 GMT. The Belgian Consumer Confidence Index at 0900 hours GMT. Japan's German Buber monthly report at 1000 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.